Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto Bros channel. What if I told you that all the things that normally take you a full day, shooting, syncing audio, endless editing, can now be replaced by one simple step? Drop in a photo and your computer turns it into a talking, moving character. Before your coffee even finishes brewing. Sounds like magic, right? Let's check it out. No actors, no cameras, no editing marathon, just you, your ideas, and a piece of AI magic that feels like cheating. CapCut just released new tools that make Hollywood-style effects something you can create right from your computer. This sample video took me less than 10 minutes to make, and it's created entirely from a single picture using CapCut's AI video maker. Let's check it out. All right, picture this. You drop one photo into your computer and a minute later, you've got a talking, moving, acting character that looks straight out of a Netflix show. No green screen, no fancy cameras, no editing headache. CapCut just leveled up and the AI features are honestly kind of ridiculous. Let's break it down. So here's how it works. Go to the official CapCut website, download the PC version, install it, open the app, and all the new AI tools will be right in front of you. You don't need a powerful computer or a paid subscription to try most of them. The free plan already packs plenty of features to experiment with. We're talking about stuff that used to take a whole studio team, now sitting inside one app. And because it's all cloud powered, you don't have to wait hours for rendering. Most AI effects process in seconds. First up, AI dialogue scene. This is not your average lip sync filter. You can take any face, photo, selfie, drawing, heck, even your cat, and make it perform. Type what you want it to say, upload your own voice, or pick from trending sounds.
You've got over 100 voice styles.
From dramatic movie trailer guy to
I just woke up and I'm confused.
And a bunch of languages so you can go global instantly. Bonus tip, you can mix languages in one scene to make fun, multilingual content for international audiences. Best part? You can set the scene to 4, 8, or 12 seconds, so it's perfect for snappy reels, TikToks, or YouTube shorts. Next, AI image and video generation. Think of it as your content vending machine. Type in a prompt, cyberpunk Tokyo street raining neon lights, and boom, you've got a cinematic background or even a full motion clip. You can also drop in an existing image and let AI turn it into something wild. Anime versions, painting styles, surreal edits. Pro tip, try combining a hand-drawn sketch with AI to instantly create polished art or animation without redrawing everything yourself. No Photoshop degree required. Creators in e-com and fashion, you're gonna love this. AI fashion model. Upload a clothing photo, choose a model body type, pick a pose, and you instantly get a realistic product shot. No hiring, no photo shoots, just instant marketing assets you can post in minutes. You can even change backgrounds to match the season. Summer beach for July, cozy indoor for winter promos. And then there's AI avatars. This is like building your own cast of digital actors. Feed in a selfie or even just a written description, and CapCut spits out a lifelike character that can sing, talk, or act.
You can use them for skits, brand mascots, story-driven videos, or even entire virtual shows.
Want to start a faceless influencer account? This is your green light. Here's the thing, these aren't just toys. If you're a content creator, marketer, educator, or even just someone trying to grow a personal brand, this is a major advantage. You can produce more content in less time, test ideas instantly, and do it all without a crew, studio, or big budget. Simply upload your design and provide a prompt, and CapCut will generate professional promotional images or digital avatars. This is especially ideal for promoting crypto merchandise, showcasing NFT artwork, or even creating virtual brand ambassadors, enhancing the diversity and personalization of your content creation. And because the app supports exporting in multiple aspect ratios, you can create once and post everywhere. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, without re-editing. So if you've been waiting for a sign to dive into AI content creation, this is it. Click the link in the description to download CapCut, play with these features, and see what kind of magic you can make. Oh, and if you end up making something that blows up, tag me. I want to see the chaos you unleash. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that bell, and I'll see you in the next one, where we might just push this AI stuff even further.